This is how you install the front underbody spoiler kit, the HFP kit for the 2016-17 Honda Accord. So you basically have to take off your front bumper. So there's these little X mark. So what you want to do is use a push pin or push tab or whatever. You just poke it right in the middle there, but not on this side. I mean, not that one. But I already got that side done, but I want to show you guys here. So there will be 4 of those that you will have to drill out. So what you want to do is drill out that one right here, this one right here, one right here, and then one right there. So 4 in total. And what you want to do is use a 3mm drill. After you use the push pin and make a little hole all the way out to the back, to the front. You just want to drill it through the front. Will be better. I don't know. That's what they say on the instruction. So use a 3, 6, 8, and then finish it off with a 10mm. So I already got it drilled out to 10mm right here. Just make sure you remove these cover for the 3M tape, double-sided tape, and then you just want to use a masking tape or some tape to just hold it out in the front here. And then you stick these little zip tie in through the hole, and then you use these little tabs right here, and then you just put it on there, and it should zip tie it in place, and then it should hold it. But what you want to do is just make sure you don't pull it in too tight, because it will start deforming your underbody spoiler kit. So just so you know, so here is how you install it. And then there's also a little hole right here in the back. You just want to line that up with the hole that's on the bumper as well, and before you push it down and tape it in place. Alright, so the way how I got it to work, these zip ties to go in there easiest is I kind of use the top one first to go in place, and then kind of just pull. And then just pull the other side in. So the top one first, and then the bottom one over here. Makes it much easier to go in, because it's kind of at an angle, so it's kind of weird thing. But anyway, and again, don't put them on so tight, because you're gonna start deforming the whole line up. So just gonna take this down first, so it stays on there. This one down. Finish off this one. Okay, so after you installed the zip ties and you 3M taped it, you just want to put these clips into these holes. So you would just put it into these 2 for now until you actually put it on the car, because that one actually clips onto something else under there. And then these come with washers, so you just put these you put the clip inside the washer, so like that, before you install it. There's 1, 2, and that is pretty much it for the install. And then they do have these kind of like screw in clip. I'm pretty sure it goes into this 3rd one, but then again, like I said, you have to put it on the car first, and then clip it onto something else that holds it onto the car. But yeah, that's pretty much it.